Right, here we are at Casey, KOA in Illinois. It's really tight. So I told them I had a 35-foot trailer. You have to lie with the KOA. So, got a little bit of room here. I got to angle the truck. And where the steps are, I'm in mud. Not happy about that part. They could gravel this part in a little bit more. Water in, water out. Guess I can go inside. Let's go inside and find out what the water pressure is like. Oh, didn't turn on the water. Okay. Turning on the water would help. Okay, water pressure seems good. Okay, now let's see if this thing held up. And it did. Yay! Pool looks nice. Laundry. Not a
Where are
problem.
you traveling from?
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Yeah.
You're a long ways from home.
Oh, even going further. I'm going to Maine.
Going to Maine. Wow. One extreme to the other, right?
Yes, Vegas heat is horrible. Okay, the freeway's right there, but from where I am, you don't hear it. And I actually did connect to Starlink, even though we are under trees, but it's not so much trees. Here we are at Casey, a little town with lots of large things. There's a lot of ruts. The thing about this park is that these spaces, they look nice. I love the rocks. However, they're too narrow. And they do not accommodate big rigs. See all the ruts? And this poor man is on the road, small space, on the road, and he's taking up another. They did not accommodate for rigs, for big rigs. And that is where RVing is going to. See, and no one likes to disconnect. I don't know why they want to know their trailer size. What they need to do is they need to ask you, what is your overall length? Truck to bumper. Plus add another 5 feet. Because when you disconnect, you got to have that extra 5 feet. So even though there's 3 rows here, it's only 2 rows. Yeah, the park is really nice looking. However, not designed very well as far as length and width. Where I'm at, I'm on mud. The steps are on mud. Like that, for example. I'm on that. The steps are on that. When I get off, I'm on that. Would I stay at this park again? Not for 3 nights. For overnight, yes. Only for overnight. Anything longer than overnight, I would have to say no. Again, lovely park, nice people, but the park itself not designed well. At first look, aesthetically, this park looks really nice. However, see, their steps, they're on mud. They need to take this grass, move it 3 feet that way and 3 feet that way, and extend this lengthwise, oh, I don't know, 10, 15 feet. Take out that second row, every other row. I do like the fact that they have trimmed the trees over here on this side of the park, so that Starlink can actually work through the trees.